Your multiverse can be customized by either using a computer, a laptop, a tablet, or even your phone. Although a computer is really recommended because you have a lot more visual space to see what you're doing. The first thing you need to do is browse to multiverseonline.io. Then come over to the right of the screen and click Login. If you've attached your Facebook account with your Multiverse account, you'll just sign in with Facebook. After that's established, you'll be brought to a list of your metaverses. You'll notice I have two here. My first one, the personal one, is the one that's automatically created when you log into the multiverse. The Pirate Cove is one that I just started playing around with by creating the new metaverse. You'll see there are different types here where my personal, I've upgraded to a professional account. My Pirate Cove is still free. When you want to go ahead and establish a new template though, a lot of times you'll want to start with your personal account. So let's go ahead and look at our personal account. Just click on the link. This will bring you to a list of any properties that you have purchased with your account. Notice that all apartments bought out within the Infiniverse are going to show up on your personal metaverse. If we scroll down, we'll see the different names of the different apartments that I've purchased. And this is a link that indicates where that apartment is located. If we scroll all the way down, let's say we want to create a new entrance lobby. You'll just click on Create Location. You'll be presented with a visual display of all the different templates that are provided with the different membership packages. You'll notice any of them with a purple corner is available in the business package. Any with the blue are available with the Pro. Any with the green are available in the Premium. And with the gray, you have free templates that you can get started with a great setup without having to purchase a membership. But notice that each one of these is on an increasing tier. So if you end up buying the business package, you get every template shown on this page. But let's just start with our free account. We want to choose entrance lobby. So let's go ahead and choose this right here. And then let's give it a name. Let's call it My Entrance Lobby. You can choose whatever you want. Notice that whatever you type here is going to end up at the end of the URL for your room. So whenever someone asks you to share a link to your room, you'll give them basically this entire link right here. And those were the links that you saw on the list. We'll go back to that in just a minute. Once you're happy with the name, scroll all the way back down to the bottom and click Go. Now you're at the template where you can create custom items within this room. You have the central TV. If you hit the drop-down list, you can either upload a file or you can also drag and drop onto this screen. If you click on the question mark, it tells you what proportions the item needs to be in this section right there. As you scroll down, you'll notice you have several things that allow you to customize this room. If you go back up to the navigation on the side, you'll see you have Home. And if you click on that, that will bring you back to your metaverse where you can scroll through your properties. And if we look under the M's, we'll see here's our new property that we just made, My Entrance Lobby. And anytime you want to customize it, you just click on this link and it'll take you right back into this template.